In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Kraken to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have Kraken linked inside ChatGPT, so you can use the app's features right where you're already working. We'll keep it simple, clear, and quick, and I'll add helpful context so you know exactly what to expect at each step. Start in ChatGPT and look to the bottom left corner of your screen. Click your profile icon to open the menu, then choose Settings. This is where you manage everything related to your account and tools. Inside Settings, find and select the Apps section. This is the hub for discovering, adding, and managing the apps you connect to ChatGPT. From here, click Explore Apps or Add More, depending on what you see. Both options take you to the same place, a catalog where you can search for integrations. At the top, there's a search field. Type Kraken into that search bar. Take a moment to verify you're selecting the official Kraken app so you know you're connecting the right one. When you see it, click Connect. ChatGPT will guide you through any on-screen instructions needed to complete the connection. This may include a brief authorization step where you review what access you're granting. Read those details carefully and proceed when you're comfortable. If there are no additional prompts, the connection will complete immediately. After you've connected Kraken, you'll return to the Apps area where Kraken should appear in your connected list. If you don't see it right away, a quick refresh usually does the trick. From here on, Kraken is available to use within ChatGPT whenever it's supported by your conversation or workflow. If you don't see the Apps section in Settings, make sure your ChatGPT app is up to date, or try using ChatGPT in a desktop browser. If Kraken doesn't appear in search, double-check your spelling and try again in a moment. Sometimes app listings can take a moment to load, depending on your region or network. And as a best practice, only connect apps you trust, and never share secret credentials in places that don't explicitly ask for them through an official flow. That's all there is to it. Profile, Settings, Apps, Explore or Add More, search Kraken, hit Connect, and follow any prompts. With that, you're all set. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Kraken inside ChatGPT.